To create a Microsoft account, go to the Microsoft website and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the account creation page where you can either use an existing email address or create a new one. Next, you need to create a strong password to secure your account. A secure password typically includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your chosen password in the password field, and then click on Next. Here, you need to enter your first and last name. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to provide your country or region and your birth date. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu and input your birth date. If you're using an existing email address, Microsoft will send a verification code to that email to confirm that you own it. Check your email inbox for the code and then enter it on the Microsoft account sign-up page. After verifying your email, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA challenge to ensure that a real person is creating your account. And that's all you need to do to create a new Microsoft account.